Hello students, today we are going to do this maths lab activity. In this activity we are going to concretely see with the help of an activity how can we form a table of any given number. For example, firstly let us take table of 2. Suppose we want to frame table of 2. Then what are we going to do? We will first of all make 2 standing lines. Right, for making table of 2 we are going to make table of 2. Okay, then suppose we want to find out 2 ones are, so we will draw one horizontal line. Okay, so let us see this horizontal line intersects these 2 standing lines at how many points? This is first point, this is second point. So 2 ones are 2, right? So if we want to see 2 twos are, then we will make one more line. Okay, then 2 twos are, now how many points are there? 1, 2 were already there, and 3 and 4. So 4. 2 twos are 4. Next, let us see 2 threes are. So 2 threes are, one more horizontal line for 2 threes are. So the answer comes out to be, now count the number of points where these lines intersect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 threes are 6. In this manner we can continue this activity, right? For if we enlarge this line, then we may continue this activity for 2 fours are, 2 fives are, 2 sixes are, and so on. So I hope you have understood. Okay, so if we want to form table of 3, now how are we going to show this? Let me undo this. Now yes, for table of 3 let us draw how many lines, how many standing lines? Yes, for drawing table of 3 we will draw 3 vertical lines, 1, 2 and 3. We are drawing table of 3, right? Now for calculating 3 ones are, one horizontal line. Next step is we are going to count number of points on which these 2 lines intersect, first, second and third. So 3 ones are 3. Now 3 twos are, right? So for 3 twos are, let us draw again one more horizontal line. 3 twos are. Now next step, for finding out the answer of 3 twos are, what are we going to do? We are going to count the number of points where these lines intersect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 3 twos are 6. Now 3 threes are. For 3 threes are, one more horizontal line. Now 3 threes are. Next step is counting number of points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of points where these lines intersect, and the answer is 9. So as you can see here, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. This way we can continue and form table of 3. Hope you have understood. You may do this activity for making table of 4, 5 and 6 also. So complete this activity and send me your answer in my WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.